Open Air Cabinetry provides durable and stylish outdoor kitchen cabinets made from sustainable marine-grade polymer, perfect for any weather condition. Our cabinets are moisture-resistant and tough against stains and spills, ensuring long-lasting beauty. With exclusive color choices and easy maintenance, our cabinets are the perfect addition to your outdoor living space. We take pride in our quality craftsmanship and superior customer service, and we stand behind our products as the best outdoor cabinetry available. We ship our cabinetry all across the United States. To find a verified dealer of Open Air Outdoor Cabinetry, simply go to our website, click on Find a Local Retailer, and type in your city, state, or zip code to find someone nearby. Come up with no results in your area? Don't worry, give us a call and we will help you find a dealer who can assist you with all phases of your project. Want to be a verified dealer of Open Air Outdoor Cabinetry? We have you covered. Just click Free Sample Kit and fill out your information, which will be sent directly to a sales rep in your area who will help you get started. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional oasis.